Can you put on what's up? It's your girl Lacey. I'm back with another video. So I don't know if you guys can tell, I've kind of been I don't want to say straying away, but trying to incorporate other type of videos on my channel. So you guys mainly know me for makeup, but I'm all about everything beauty, so that includes, you know, some cute outfits. Don't forget to go ahead and check out my new video that I uploaded, my affordable pretty little thing haul plus size. So go ahead and check that out. But then also I've been wanting to incorporate some hair videos on my channel. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. It's something different. It's definitely kind of experimental for me as well. So y'all, you know, y'all bear with me and grow with me. So if y'all want to see what I'm gonna do today, y'all go ahead and keep watching. So y'all bear with me. I have had knotless braids in for, it feels like more than a month, but I guess it's only been a month from July. Well, a month and like two, 3 weeks. So I finished it or got it done literally July 1st. Something like that. It's time to come out. I'm tired of this. Like, I need a new style. Like, so yeah, one down, a million to go. Alright y'all, so I'm about to wash my hair, and I'm gonna wash my hair with the Aussie Miracle Moist shampoo and just conditioner. So yeah, I have been using this for a couple months now. It's okay. I think I'm gonna go, I love the conditioner, but I think I'm gonna go back to my initial shampoo that I was washing my hair with when I had first did my big chop. My hair grew a lot since then, so I might chuck this when this is finished. It's cool, but gotta go back to what works for me. Alright guys, I am back. I did not deep condition or like give my hair a protein treatment. What I did though is what I normally do. Sorry. But yeah, what I did is what I normally do, which is like I condition my hair, then I let it sit while I take a shower. So yeah, technically, you know, I kind of, ow, look at this. Sheesh. Yeah, I definitely had a lot of dead hair from this, but I'll live. But yeah, so I didn't do the protein treatment and whatnot, but you know, I did something. Dang sis. I asked my Instagram followers whether, like, what should I do with my hair, either a high puff with bangs or 2 high puff and bangs. I really wanted to do the 2 high puff, but 69% said high puff and bangs, so you know what, I guess that's what I'm doing. So for my high puff ponytail, I literally just kind of part out, not too much, but like a good amount. Eventually I'm gonna have to stop doing this because my hair is just growing and growing. So that's that. It's literally so easy if you have like a good curl pattern. Like if your hair could curl up, this is perfect. that's there. I already have a part. And I kind of just leave the edges there. It's gonna go up in my ponytail. I know it's looking a little crazy right now, but that's just usually how it is. So I'm just gonna twist this part. Alright, so I am going to like slick back my hair. I'm gonna use Eco Style Gel, She Is Bomb Edge Control, and Gorilla Snot. I like my ponytails to be really, really slick. And I only have a little bit of Eco Style gel left. I didn't even know. Like, it's literally like empty. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I don't know what I'm gonna do because I mainly need it for my bangs, so I probably might not use a lot. But I know not Eco Style, but She Is Bomb Gel with either Eco Style gel or Wetline Gel is bomb.com. So I'm just going to take some of my She Is Bomb, Eco Style Gel, and I literally just mix those bad boys in. They'll work perfect. So my main concern is the front, so I'll just kind of do that and then I'll go around the back. That's that. So now that I have it gelled up, I'm gonna take this apart and re-slick, like re-tie up back my hair for the last time. I told y'all I do not play about this. I like it to be super slick. So that's done. Time to do this bang of mine. See, the good thing about it is when I twisted it, look at that. It already has a little curl formed. So I'm honestly about to wet it. Or probably not even wet it because I honestly don't know. Honestly have no clue where my spray bottle is. So my hair loves water and Eco Style Gel. Like, them curls be popping. Like popping. Y'all see that? Oh, they're low. Let me come up closer. So those are my natural curls. Put a little Eco Style. And I'm literally gonna do this to the rest of my bang. So my bang is done. It's wet, but y'all know shrinkage is a bitch, so I'm just gonna crunch them up. Then eventually they're gonna dry. It's 7. So I don't really like anytime I do this, I don't really like when my puff looks like this. So I'm gonna try and do this as quick as possible. I literally just grab like tiny little bits of pieces. And I know it's gonna look crazy at first, but when I get ready, it's a different thing. You feel me? I just get tiny little bits of pieces and just stretch them out and do the same thing that I did with the Eco Style Gel, like to the bang. So yeah, my edges are secure for right now. My hair needs to dry. I'm gonna go get ready, and yeah, I'll be back to show y'all what it looks like. So yeah guys, my hair is like semi-dry. I'll probably come back and show you another video tomorrow, but this is how it looks. Don't worry about the back. I know it might be a little whatever, but yeah. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This is the first of possibly many hair videos. I'm not sure. It depends on how y'all respond to it. So y'all let me know what y'all think down in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course, if you like my content, if you like my personality, go ahead and subscribe. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.